Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make red and green aguachiles. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so first we're going to begin by cleaning our 2 pounds of shrimp. So remove the shell and the tail. And we're going to cut them into butterfly. So make sure that you slide them. Just don't go all the way down. And of course you want to make sure that you clean the whole inside. Okay, so just make sure that you have your shrimps like this. So do it to the rest of your shrimp. And just make sure that you separate your shrimps, 1 pound for the red and 1 pound for the green. Okay, so once we have our shrimp all nice and clean, now we are ready to make our sauces. Okay, so for our green salsa, we're going to blend half of avocado, a small piece of cucumber, a handful of cilantro, the juice of 4 limes, chile serrano, I'm using 3, half of habanero, a small piece of purple onion, 1 garlic clove, salt, black pepper, and a pinch of oregano. So now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, so once we have our sauce, we're going to pour it on our shrimp. Okay, so now we're going to cover our shrimp with our green salsa. And just make sure that your shrimp is nice and covered with the salsa. So if you need some more lime, go ahead and add it. So now we're just going to cover it and place it in the refrigerator. Okay, so for our red sauce, we're going to blend chile de árbol, I'm using 3, chile tepin, I'm using the whole little bag, a small piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, salt, black pepper, and a pinch of oregano, 2 teaspoons of jugo Maggie, 4 tablespoons of Clamato, and the juice of 4 limes. So now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, so once we have our sauce ready, now we can pour it on our shrimp. Okay, so pour your sauce. And just make sure that your shrimp is nice and covered with the sauce. So now we're just going to cover it and set it in the fridge and allow it to chill for 45 minutes. Alright guys, so after 45 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. Okay, so I'm going to be placing my aguachiles in a plate. So I'm just going to lay them down like that. Okay, so we're going to lay the greens on the other side. Okay, I'm going to add some cucumber, some purple onion. I'm going to add some of that juice. Some more on the green. I'm going to add some chile serranos. And of course, our avocado. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious aguachiles. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I'm going to be eating mine with tostadas. Of course, you can spread some mayo on it. For me, this is just perfect. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. It is spicy, but for me, aguachiles, they have to be spicy. But you can always fix them, adjust it to your liking. The green one. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious aguachiles. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.